If there's a couple things I hate, here's one of them. When I'm really thirsty and I drink a soda, I'd like to not hiccup. I hate that. Like, I hate hiccuping. You know? I get that soda, I'm like, oh my god, it's so good. 2 seconds down the road, I'm like, here it comes. Oh god, here it comes. Hiccup. The day I can drink one drink without hiccuping from soda will be the day. Well, it'll just be like a normal day, probably. You know, probably just be like a normal day. Just be a good day. It'd be like one of those days, just a really good day. You know, like a really good day. Okay, I'm talking like perfect.